it's also your genre. And you started off with comedies and now you're returning to that comic space again. And Janvi, you are, I think, doing it for the first or second time, like this
First
zone
time.
of
First
Yeah,
time.
first time.
First time.
This pitch and this
Yeah.
film,
First
first
time.
time. Yeah.
Did you all have a blast shooting for all those
Yeah,
comic
yeah.
movements which are
And yeah. No, we had a lot of fun also because I think we mess around a lot with each
Yeah.
other and like with I think the entire cast and crew offset also. So it was just an expansion of that energy.
Janvi and my personal humor is like dangerous.
Yeah.
It's not
Like, we'll be
appropriate.
cancelled. It's very inappropriate. It's very inappropriate. It's very like mean, sarcastic, and it's. But we can only do it with each other, and it's like.
If
there's-
anyone hears those
I can't tell.
conversations-
I am not joking about this. We are not best friends or anything like that.
How
but there's
dude?
no- but we are
I
not
used to
best.
think we were best friends.
We are best
Till
friends.
this moment, I thought we were best friends.
We're not
Varun.
best friends. We are
Varun,
close
if
friends.
anything happened, I would call you up.
But
and
I'll be
expect
there
it.
for you,
So then we're
obviously.
best friends. And you know all my secrets. Anything he asks me,
Obviously.
anything happens, like, just know that Varun Dhawan knows. If you've told me a secret as random as it is, like
Oh,
your
God.
sleeping hours, whoever you are, I'm telling Varun.
Yeah, discuss sleeping
What
hours
time
with
they
people.
brush, what time they sleep.
But we have discussed people's sleeping
Yeah, that's
hours.
what I'm saying. Every
That's so
detail I
strange.
know, he knows.
But we have the kind of humor I can share with her. Like I have my friends like bachpan ke dost.
Yeah.
Like boys. I can't even do that with them because they'll find it too
So
dark.
then we are best friends.
It's very
Varun.
dark. We share very dark humor.
But why can't you call me your best friend?
Because we are very close friends. Joey is my best friend.
And no one else?
Joey is number one.
Who's number two? I really wanted to be his best friend. I've spent 5 years since Bhavan, 5 years thinking I was his best friend.
But we are very close friends.
Fuck
Even
off, sure,
now
no, I
he's
don't want to
not-
be your friend only now.
Why?
No. That's why you left me on that flight also. Man. You know, he made me sleep on the floor.
What
Really?
rubbish, yeah. But this is not. One minute. We were going to Paris. We were shooting to Normandy, shooting for Bawal. Now there was no place in that lounge. So we both slept on the floor. Now the people who were sleeping on the sofa, they got up. अभी इसको वो अभी भी नींद में थी, तो मैं उठ के सो गया सोफा पे.
यहाँ पे आके
तो जब ये उठी, इसने देखा कि मैं सोफा पे सो रहा हूँ, ये अभी भी जमीन पे. So
you should have woken her up and
Yeah.
I thought then she would say, why are you waking me up?
No, I would have happily gone on the sofa.
She drugged me on a flight once.
That's not true.
It is true. I was unwell and she put like a sleeping pill and all.
But
of
he
that.
was a super spreader. What about?
This is not funny.
Okay, change. Ask us questions. You have 10 questions.
Yeah. When you are talking of the funniest moments and all, what is the craziest moment that you have experienced on a film set, which is very funny and wacky? Either
any
with
film
each other or otherwise as well.
On any films.
I have a lot of moments of me falling into rivers and all.
What?
Yeah. In this also, when we were doing that paddling scene, when I had to jump and reach Sanya, I fell down in the middle. There's a take where I've fallen into the water and I've come out wet, and then Shashank has got so irritated. And wackiest moment on a film set.
I'm trying to think.
Any film it can be.
Yeah, any film.
Yeah.
I think there have been too many. So much happens every day on a movie set.
I've had pretty funny moments with, I'd say with Manish Paul
Yeah.
on Jug Jug Jio, when during that climax scene with Anil sir, when he's getting mad, when they're renewing their vows, then I get drunk and I give a speech and all. So we were supposed to be drunk. So it's 7:30 बजे सुबह में हम लोग ने शुरू किया था. So me and Manish started drinking from the morning to be drunk. And then by like 2 we were slurring. Then we had to sober up then again, and next day बच गया shoot, so we had to drink again. So I think वो मनीष और मुझे ही पता है कि क्या हुआ है. And recently we had a very funny scene with Rajat.
Soon?
You know who Rajat is? He was in Bodyguard also.
Oh,
Rajat
yeah,
Ravil.
yeah.
Yeah,
So me and Manish and Rajat had a funny scene in Hai Jawani.
Yeah.
Ishq.
You can't remember.
I can't think of anything. I feel like everything is funny to me.
You have a blast on the film.
Yeah,
set.
especially on this one.
This one is
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah, this one, every scene was a riot, I feel.
But you both work together in Bawal and now Sunny Sanskari.
Yeah.
Is there anything new you discovered about each other through the shoot
I discovered that I'm not his best friend.
that you discovered now?
Yeah.
You are Janvi. You know I love you.
No, I think I just discovered that I really like him. Like he's a really solid guy.
You discovered that you like me.
Yeah, whatever. Through the course of these 2 films, I think that on a film set, you're put together. You don't have a say in who you get close to on a film set.
Yeah.
You start knowing each other so intimately. But I'm really happy with everyone on this film set that, you know, we spent that kind of time together. And
Did you have a problem with anyone on this film? With
No.
Kumar?
yeah, Kumar.
Kumar
But we
is-
became friends because he
Yeah.
got me some coffee or something.
Yeah, he got you
me
something
yesterday.
recently.
So we're mending our
hates it.
relationship. Yeah. He doesn't, and he's put a setting on his phone that every time he calls me, the call gets cut. Or, like he's
No.
blocked me on his phone.
You should do a WhatsApp call then.
So basically, because I have a baby now,
Yeah.
and I've just put timers on call conversations that they don't go so long, because I don't want Lara to see me on the phone always,
Yeah.
and she does anyway. So that I can keep the phone down, so I just put a timer so the conversation gets cut.
And then Kumar smiles at the back every time the call gets cut.
But you know, Varun and Janvi, we are living in a time where box office is also very important in everyone's life. As actors, what does box office mean to the two of you? Number one, and number two, how important is it to maintain the dignity of box office in
Good question.
I think it means validation from the audiences. I also think that like the demarcations of what was a successful film before and the frequency of it has changed a lot. Like I keep hearing this, हाँ लेकिन post COVID के लिए ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, post COVID numbers के लिए तो ऐसी film के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. So I think a lot has changed, but at the end of it, yeah, of course, box office numbers means audience validation, but I think a film also has longer legs now.
Yeah.
If it's loved and respected, there's also we see so many films getting that love on
Yeah, yeah.
OTT, and then
Yeah, yeah.
you know things like
See,
that.
you know, I mean, if we are having an academic discussion about this, the release windows have become so difficult, Himesh,
Yeah.
that pehle, if we had a chance to run our film for 5 weeks, 6 weeks, अभी क्या 2 हफ्ते में एक बड़ी फिल्म आ जाती है.
Yeah.
So your run is so small. For example, whatever date you take, if you release a film and next week 3 films are coming, your screens are going to get slashed.
Yeah.
How do you, also the audience is getting that choice. Then there are English films coming.
Yeah.
There are animation films coming. There are so
There's regional films coming that are getting.
there are cricket matches happening. There's so many events happening. So it's life has become so packed with things. So as a film, you're fighting that also.
Yeah.
And for us, like we know we have so much time, we have to make the most of it. So today, earlier I had a very different take, but today when I see filmmakers putting offers and doing things to get people in, to entice people in, I get it.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you should be like, नहीं करना चाहिए कुछ भी. तो करे क्या फिर? Then what?
नहीं,
We should
लेकिन
wait
सब
for a
करते
time.
हैं.
See, because everyone is not making the biggest film in the world.
Yeah.
Everyone doesn't have the budget to make a 300 crore film or 350 film. We are making a nice family entertainer and we want people to come and laugh and enjoy. तो हम लोग भी लड़ रहे हैं ना लोगों के टाइम के लिए.
Yeah.
So we want them to come. So we'll do whatever it takes, whether it is going for, we have gone for at least 8 Garbhas till now.
Yeah.
And we have 3 more to do.
Yeah,
Wow.
I genuinely want people in Gujarat to come and see this film because I know Gujarat में comedies चलती है,
Yeah.
but बहुत टाइम से नहीं चली है.
और clean family films भी बहुत चलती है.
तो ये वो किस्म की फिल्म है and I think families will enjoy it all over, whether it's Delhi, UP, whether it's CPCI, Rajasthan, whether it's Gujarat, Maharashtra. Even Maharashtra needs to, start coming and
Back
watching
in
our,
theatres, yeah.
Yeah.
everyone's films more.
Yeah.
So this is that kind of a film. It's a very fun film which I think the youth also will like and enjoy. So that's why we pitched it like that, We want them, and that's why October 2nd, because I think the producers felt, Karan felt, and Shashank felt, and everyone felt that, it's a holiday, it's a celebratory time, and we know that the size of the box office is big enough.
Yeah.
So people hopefully will come on that day.
Correct. No, of course, that windowing is a problem
Yeah.
in today's time. There are so many films being made from across. Initially, it was just
Hindi.
Now it's everything coming together. So
Exactly.
That has
So,
changed.
and that's not wrong.
I think it's a good thing
yeah,
in a way. We just have
It's good
to,
for cinema. Everyone pulls up their socks. But at the same time,
You have to readapt now.
There are
Yeah.
differences in budgets of films, and
Yeah.
what you can offer.
Yes.
We can't have a dinosaur appear in Sunny Sanskari from behind and excite people like that. It's ultimately of us doing masti and
Yeah.
fun, and you're getting into that vibe. We have the songs, we have all that. We have Panwadi, we have Perfect, Bijuria.
Yes.
It's about that.